Skeletal muscle is made up of long cylindrical fibers. Each muscle fiber is actually a syncytium. Skeletal muscle fibers are multinucleated because they are a syncytium. In the embryo, they are uninucleated, but later during development, myoblasts fuse together and give rise to multinucleated muscle fiber. The nuclei are elongated and they lie on the periphery. So, why are the nuclei on the periphery? The cytoplasm, which is the sarcoplasm, is filled with numerous longitudinal fibrils that are called myofibrils. So, the presence of these myofibrils in the sarcoplasm pushes the nuclei to the periphery underneath the sarcolemma. So, this is why we can observe peripheral nuclei in skeletal muscle. The most striking feature of skeletal muscle fibers is the presence of transverse striations in them. You can see dark bands known as A bands and light bands that are known as I bands. Each muscle fiber is closely invested by connective tissue. This connective tissue supports muscle fibers and unites them to each other. Each muscle fiber is surrounded by delicate connective tissue that is called endomysium. Individual fasciculi are surrounded by a stronger sheath of connective tissue called perimysium. The entire muscle is surrounded by connective tissue called epimysium. In skeletal muscle, we find muscle triads. Proteins present in skeletal muscle are actin, myosin. Points of identification when seen under the microscope. In a longitudinal section through skeletal muscle, the fibers are easily distinguished as they show characteristic transverse striations. The fibers are long and parallel without branching, while in cardiac muscle, there was branching present. In skeletal muscle, many flat nuclei are placed at the periphery. The muscle fibers are separated from each other by some connective tissue.